Welcome. In front of me is a SHARP Aquos S2, and today I will show you how to set up the portable hotspot. So to actually go into the settings of the hotspot, there's two ways we can do it. Either go to the settings or by pulling the notification panel, extend it, and you'll have hotspot right here. And you can just hold it like so, and we'll take you straight to the settings of it. And going through settings, you would want to go into more at the top, and then find personal hotspot, and we have the same options, or basically in the same place. So from here, you want to enable it by flipping it on like so. And you can also tap on set up LAN hotspot. When you tap on it, you can choose the name of the network that you will be sharing, basically, type of security, and also the password that people will have to use to connect to it. If you tap on it, you can actually see what the password is, or you can remove it and set your own new one. It needs to be 8 digits or 8 characters long. And once you satisfy, you can just tap on button and it will enable again, just refreshing the settings. And now you can connect with a different device to your network. And below you can also see, once it's enabled, how many devices are connected to it, and you can remove those devices if you don't want someone to use it. So that is basically how you enable it and disable it. And you can also do it through the notification panel by just tapping it on and off like so. Now mind you that tapping from here, it will keep the settings that you have set previously and use them as the default whenever you enable and disable. So keep that in mind. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.